Welcome to this comprehensive overview of P2PB2B, a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform. P2PB2B offers a simple and efficient way for users to trade digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and many more. The platform has an intuitive interface, making it easy for both beginners and experienced traders to navigate. To get started, simply create an account and deposit funds. You can buy and sell various cryptocurrencies quickly, and the exchange supports both spot and margin trading. P2PB2B also offers a range of security features to protect your assets, such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage. Whether you're looking to buy your first crypto or want to trade on the go, P2PB2B has a solution for you. But wait, before we dive into how to start trading, did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Now, once you're signed up, you'll want to explore the trading options available. P2PB2B offers a variety of pairs, allowing you to trade between different cryptocurrencies easily. The platform supports advanced features such as limit and market orders, which are perfect for users who want more control over their trades. If you're new to trading, you can start with small amounts and explore the platform's demo features to practice before committing real funds. P2PB2B also provides a comprehensive mobile app so you can trade on the go from anywhere in the world. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a like if you found this video helpful.